What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade on HFM for beginners. Now, if you want to get up to $50 extra when you create your account, you can use the link in the description below to open an account and claim your sign-up bonus. So let's get started. So if you're looking for a way, or you're just wondering how do you trade or start trading here in HFM, well, this one is fairly easy. So let's first discuss what you need to do first. Now, what we need to do first is you want to guarantee that you have a live account first. Now, if you want to really trade here in the platform, you need to create a live account. Now, if you want to use a demo account, the steps are pretty much the same thing. You just need to choose a different option. But yeah, so at the bottom left, you want to go to menu, and you want to go and choose the My Wallet option here. And you want to go to either demo accounts or live accounts. Now, in here, you want to make sure that you create or open the appropriate account. Like if you want to trade for real here, make sure to open up a live account. Now, if you want to practice trading, choose the demo accounts option. Now, by the way, on the wallet section, this is where you fund your balances. You can go and click on deposit here and choose the necessary options. Now, if you want to fund it via your card, bank transfer, you could go ahead and just click on the appropriate one here. At the very top, you could go and choose which account you want to deposit this, either to your My HF wallet or your trading account here. So yeah, if you want to trade for real here, you want to make sure that you deposit it into your trading account so that you have balances that you could use. But how do you get started on trading? Now, you want to go to the market section here. Now, in the markets, you should see like graphs and also the option to sell and buy assets. Like, for example, USDC here. So if you open it up, you'll have the option to view the market info and also the chart in here. Now, obviously, there are a lot of things that you could do here. Like, for example, adding price alerts, adding like drawings in here, and making your analysis. Now, if you want to scroll down big here, as you can see, there's like the pip size, lot size, and a lot more. But if you want to start selling or buying here, either choose like sell and just fill out the necessary information. And also, if you choose the buy option, it should give you the option to buy. But obviously, you may need to have funds first in your account in order for you to proceed. But basically, in here, you just need to fill out the necessary details. Like, for example, how many lots, buy on a specific price. If you want to buy on a specific price, go ahead and enable that. You could also enable stop loss, take profit options here. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.